Hi, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I'd like to show you a few things you can do to the KW agent site to make it be less residential and more for your needs as a commercial agent. Not perfect, but there are a few things you can tweak here and there to make it look more like a commercial agent site. So, first thing, sign into Command and go over to your websites tab on the far left-hand corner. And we're going to go ahead and go into expert mode. So choose Edit Agent Site and then expert mode at the top right. Make sure that the site you want to make changes to is showing right here. If not, come over to this link here and choose the right site that you want to edit. I'm going to go ahead and open this site up in a new tab and give you an overview of what we're going to look at today. As you can see on the KW Agent site, the back hero video here is residential. That can be updated to be more in line with commercial properties. Also, the key text right here across the front can be adjusted to not be about a home. This search bar here, which searches only residential properties at this time, can actually be removed and made to be a call to action button. So that might serve your needs a little bit better. And we're going to tackle a few other things, but let's first jump in here to the top part of your site and I'll show you how to adjust those items I just mentioned. So let's go back over to the expert mode tab and we'll go down here under default pages and click default homepage. We'll make our changes on the left, and you should see the preview on your right as you're working. Let's come here to the top section. And first things first, this text right here can be changed to anything you would like it to be. Call to action, maybe even a little blurb about yourself. We're just going to use some demo text here for the demonstration. It helps if you can spell commercial. There we go. Now, again, you might want to change this, make it look a little bit better and smoother, but for today, that'll work for us. And just below that, you'll see the option to change those featured images or video that's back here in the background. You could simply come here and choose custom images or video and upload something that's more in line with commercial. We have a few commercial images, so we'll just come here and choose images, upload file, choose file. We'll choose it from our device here. And we'll put up a couple here just to give us a demonstration. You can go to sites like Pexels.com or Unsplash.com and get free stock images with no watermarks. So that would be a good place to go if you're looking for some images or videos that are more in line with a commercial property. So we've uploaded a few. You can see those in the background here. Again, images or videos. Coming on down a little bit, you'll see the option for content. This is referring to that search bar right there. You can actually choose to not have that be a property search and have it either be nothing with no content and nothing is listed there, or a custom button that you can make a call to action. We're going to choose that option here. Choose your call to action, and it gives you the choices of internal or external. Depends on what kind of link you want to add to this button. If it's a custom page you already have created, you can choose internal and it be a link to any of the custom site pages that you have here on your agent site already, or choose an external link, like to a third-party platform site or maybe a custom website that you might have. So you choose whichever you'd like. We're going to go ahead and make this an internal link and just have this call to action button go to a contact me form on our site. So you'll choose the blank line here and choose which link you want to be here. So we have a custom page. I'm going to scroll down here. It's a custom contact me page. We'll go ahead and choose that link. Should be updating momentarily. Go ahead and choose the text that you want to be on your button now as well. So we'll go ahead and say, that. We should see the button populate on the right-hand side. There we go. And again, you can get much more creative, but it's just a demonstration. And so there you go, updating this top portion of your homepage. Now, just below that, you'll notice it's a featured properties portion of the page. These are only residential properties that will show here. So you can actually come over here on the left-hand side to the second section and choose to hide that portion. This is another tip, again, just to remove some of the residential feel to the KW agent site. We should see that disappear on the right. There we go. And so I'm just minimizing these sections on the left here. And you can see the featured listings is now gone. The next thing you might want to touch on here just on the home page is scrolling on down to your My Blog portion. You'll notice the verbiage is again about the home and its residential images. You can make changes here on the left-hand side under My Blog. You can hide this completely if you choose to, or just change the text here to be something more geared towards your specific commercial niche. So we're just going to go ahead and change the word home to business just for a moment. And as far as the blogs that are appearing, you can come down here to the bottom and choose to either hide these by clicking the red dash and possibly adding other blogs that would be more geared for commercial by clicking the plus sign and creating blogs from there. You can see now that this is removed. That still looks a little residential, but we'll let it fly for today. Go ahead and click Save at the top right-hand corner, and the home page is done. Now, a few more quick tips on things that you can do for this particular KW agent site. I'm going to click back over to the site itself, and while it probably hasn't updated just yet with the changes we've made, but it has. There we go. You can also customize the top menu navigation up here in the top right to remove things like this search properties link. This is again just a residential property search. So if you would like to make this more geared towards commercial, there is a tip video on our YouTube channel on how to customize your navigation, and you can make these links up here something other than this search property. Okay. Also, another suggestion is if you are looking to host any of your white papers or anything like that, you can also add custom pages to this site to include any of those. And if you're a member of LoopNet, RealNex, or something of the like, and you're able to search properties on those platforms, an option may be to take a custom search from either LoopNet or RealNex and be able to iframe that in to your KW agent site. So it's just something to keep in mind. There is a tip video about iframing on our YouTube channel. You can always also reach out to us and we'll be happy to take a look to see if we can get that done for you. KW does adjust what sites can be embedded in their KW agent sites, and at this time it may or may not work, but we have seen it recently be successful. So you can always email us if you have any questions about that or anything else concerning your KW platforms. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.